Hello, it's Lawnmower Man 711 here, and yeah, we just got done doing that one video with him on his train and stuff. That was part 1 of the Little and Big Brother series. So let's start part 2. Nacho! Achoo! Barbershop Corday. Ha 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 ha! Achoo! If you guys were wondering what his name is, it's Tristan, by the way. We call him Boo Boo, so you're gonna hear me say that a lot. Boo Boo. Tristan, look at me, Boo Boo. Hi. This is going on YouTube, Tristan. Don't grab the camera. Achoo! 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 Oh, chew! What you got there? Okay. Well, I'm gonna end off the video right now because it's getting a little long. But I'll see you guys later. And achoo! Oh yeah, and I forgot about the whole brofist thing. Brofist. Oh man. Never mind. Tristan, brofist camera. Brofist.